they've just wheeled the barbecue out, trying to put it out. It's on fire underneath, I believe. Just fetched it out of the building quickly. There it is, blazing away. It's underneath. Something's caught fire on it as the bowling's going on. Everybody's moving out and moved out the road. They moved out from the building there, where it was, underneath there, right in that corner. And now we've got a nice little blaze going. I wonder if we can get some sausages done on it. Well, there it's going. You can just see the fire underneath. I can get right into it. There you are. With better luck, it should burn itself out. We hope. What is it? No, I'm not sure. There you are. Bowling matches are still going on. As you can see. Semi-finals. There's Lamia's playing across. Oh, there you go. Well, they're fetching some water down to it now, so we'll have a quick see if it'll put it out. Oh, you're going to open it up, pour in some water on it. So probably go fetch a bit more. Does anybody want anything to eat, he says?